Yeah, I understand the pain that you're feeling right now. You've watched so many videos and tried so many products, but none of them worked. Here's a photo of me when I was 18 years old, and here's me now. That's why I'm the perfect person to help you on your journey. I'm not going to waste your time, so here's how to get glowing skin. Step 0, mindset. Accept that it's going to take a long time to get clear skin. YouTubers often make clickbaity titles and tell you how to get clear skin in 2 days. Don't listen to them. There are days when you can't be bothered to take care of your skin. That's why consistency and patience are the most important components here. If you do the right thing for 2 to 3 months, which I'm going to tell you in this video, you'll have glowing skin. After fixing your mindset, let's move on to the essentials. Step 1, skincare routine. You're tired of hearing this advice. I feel you. Here's a no BS skincare routine that you can follow. First, you need to determine your skin type. I'm going to help you know that we have 4 types of skins: dry skin, skin that lacks moisture and may feel tight, itchy, or flaky; oily skin, skin that produces excess oil and may appear shiny or greasy within large pores; combination skin, skin that is a mix of oily and dry with an oily T-zone forehead, nose, chin, and dry cheeks; normal skin, balanced skin with small pores and a smooth, even texture. If you're watching this, I think you have one of the 3 above after knowing your skin type. Let's move on to what you can do to have clear skin. Morning skincare routine. You need to wash your face with a cleanser that supports your skin type, of course. Then you apply toner to remove the extra dirt on your face. This is optional. After that, moisturize your face with a moisturizer with SPF, so you don't need to buy a separate sunscreen. Evening skincare routine. You'll do the same thing you did in the morning, but don't add sunscreen this time. Instead, add retinol. Retinol helps in reducing fine lines and wrinkles, improving skin texture, unclogging pores, reducing acne, and fading dark spots. This is like the magical ingredient for having clear skin. What products do you use? I use this vitamin C foaming cleanser by The Bold Glow. It's really good and cleans your face without making it too dry. It instantly brightens your skin. It has aloe vera leaf extract that softens the skin and niacinamide that fights dullness and cleans out all impurities from your skin. I highly recommend using it if you have oily skin, so check out the first link in the description and buy it from our official website. I use Ultra MD for the toner. It's a little expensive, so you can skip this part if you want. I moisturize my face with the CeraVe Facial Moisturizer SPF 30. I use Liliana Naturals Retinol. It's the best retinol on the market right now. On my skin's rejuvenation, I personally use the Bold Glow's 96 Snail Mucin Power Repairing Essence that rejuvenates your skin naturally, making it firmer and giving a very youthful appearance. It is also extremely effective against acne, keeping your skin blemish-free and radiant 24/7. Step 2, diet. The food you eat can have a significant impact on your skin. Eating a healthy and balanced diet can help improve your skin's appearance, while consuming too much sugar and processed foods can lead to breakouts and other skin issues. If you wonder why you have acne problems, it all comes from the source. People often depend on skincare products, so that's not how it works. Remember, you are what you eat. I know it's not easy to change your diet completely, so start small. For example, you can start by eating only home-cooked meals. If you ate pizza one day, try to have some apples on the side. Try to use the 80-20 rule for your food. For example, what 20 of the healthy food will give me 80% of the pleasure? Like apples, bananas, potatoes, a chicken breast, and oats. If you don't like oats, for example, you can go to YouTube and type, how can I make oats taste better if I don't like oats? Finally, increase your water intake. Try to drink at least 2 liters every day. It may be annoying at first to go to the toilet multiple times a day, but you'll get used to it. Step 3, workout. As you know, that stress can cause acne breakouts. That's why working out can reduce cortisol levels. That is the stress hormone, and also detoxifies the skin by sweating to help unclog pores, which can lead to clearer, healthier skin. I can hear the excuses running through your head right now. I don't want to hear that, bro. Get them Doritos out of your lap and just go and you'll thank me for it. Step 4, quitting social media. Wait, what? I said I want a clear skin now, and you're telling me to quit social media. Before you click off, let me explain why so. When you open social media and when you see all these perfect people with glowing skin and start comparing yourself to them unconsciously, you'll feel miserable and you'll not make progress in your journey. So you need to limit your social media use, especially Instagram and TikTok. I didn't use social media for 3 years, and it's the best decision I ever made. Try it and see for yourself. Step 5, good mental health. I always encourage you have good mental health because it's the most important part here. So when I had bad mental health, I can't even wash my face in the morning. I just want to lie down in bed and use social media all day. I noticed that my skin is getting worse and worse. And after taking care of my mental health, I was more happy, went out more, and started enjoying life in general. And taking care of my skin is so enjoyable now. And I'd love to take care of myself. Don't forget to check out the Bold Glow's range of skincare products from the links in the description. Watch this video here on how to have good mental health and subscribe because I asked nicely. Peace out.